Here is why SEO is so important. Hey, this is HJ and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people to make their living online. So without wasting any time, let's get started. SEO is a key component in increasing the value of your company and reaching a large audience. People are more inclined to use search engines to find solutions to their issues, and they are reluctant to deal with salespeople. So, to reach large audiences, you may want to promote your product or service over the internet and appear on the top search result. With SEO, you can provide value to your customer and appear on the top search result. And if your product or service appear on the top search result, they are perceived as reliable. And in my point of view, SEO is backbone for each and every online business. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.